Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi, and this is Simply Sophisticated Over 50. We are right in the middle of the holidays, and today we're going to do a holiday lip, and I'm going to share with you a brand new product I got. We're going to do a product review on City Lips. I have seen this product all over social media. I finally broke down and got one. Well, I got two because they were having a sale. So I'm going to try this for the first time here today. This is City Lips. It's by City Beauty, and I want to read to you what it says on the box about the product. It says, City Lips is a plumping lip gloss that promotes both an immediate and long-term solution for your lips. It helps restore the look of healthy lips by delivering deep hydration for instant plumping and long-lasting comfort while smoothing the appearance of lip lines and wrinkles. So it sounds like it's not going to be irritating, and that's one thing that I have heard about it. This says that it is a solution for thin lips, dry lips, and wrinkled lips. And then it tells you that you put this on first and then you apply your lip color. I also wanted to read the key ingredients to you. Number one ingredient, hyaluronic acid spheres. And it says that this dynamic ingredient is a super hydrator. We know that already. But it says that after application, the spheres expand and deliver deep hydration and a visible plumping effect. So that's how the plumping happens. I know there are different products out on the market that will plump your lips because of certain things that might irritate your skin. So hopefully this will work for me. This also has oligopeptides. This string of amino acids helps enhance the look of lip volume, and it smooths the appearance of fine lines, creating a fuller, healthier, younger look. It talks about some of the smoothing moisturizers it has with it as well. It has jojoba oil. It has lang lang flower oil. It says that is also long-lasting, that it is all-day comfort. Free from does not have parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, or sulfates. So it sounds like it's going to be a good product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by putting this on my lips before any other lip color. But I wanted to show you the lip color that I chose for holiday. It's so much fun during the holiday season, whether you have family photos, whether you have events, or whether you have parties, or Christmas dinner, whatever you have going on, it's always fun to have pretty lips. For my lip color, I'm going to use Lancome Caprice. This is a gorgeous shade. It's definitely bright, definitely red. And for the lip liner, instead of using a red lip liner, if the lip liner is not a close enough shade to the red lipstick you're using, it's going to mess up the color. So I'm going to use a neutral shade. This is by NYX. As you can see, it's a very neutral shade. This is Peekaboo Neutral by NYX. But before putting on any of that lip color, I'm going to put on the City Lips Lip Plumping Gloss. So here's what this looks like. It's really pretty. Looks a little shimmery. I wanted to read the directions one more time. It says, apply a generous amount to clean, dry lips. For best results, wait 2 to 3 minutes before applying lip color. And then remember, it did say that it gives long-term benefits as well. So it says continue use to maintain and improve results. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to start with my upper lip and just go right along the lip line. It kind of tastes or smells like vanilla. And then one thing I want to mention, if you do have any kind of sensitive skin or skin issues, make sure you see a dermatologist even before trying products like this. So this feels really good. It doesn't feel like it's tingling. It doesn't feel like it's doing anything to irritate my skin. So we're going to wait about 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'm going to apply my lip color. So I've had this on for probably about 1.5 minutes, and I do feel a little bit of a tingle, but it's nothing that's really irritating. You don't have to have a red lip or a burgundy lip or a dark lip for holiday lips. You can use any kind of shade. You can use neutrals, even maybe with a little gloss to kind of brighten it up a bit. Okay, so it's time for the color. Once again, this is Caprice by Lancome. Gorgeous, gorgeous lip color. Before I apply the lipstick, I am going to apply a little lip liner. Just lightly lining my lips with this neutral shade from NYX. Again, this is Peekaboo Neutral. And now for the lip color. Instead of completely sliding this across my lips, I'm going to just dab it on. Now, do my lips look fuller? So I know this is a long-term product, delivers results long-term and also immediate. So they do look fuller. And as you notice, I did not put on a lot of the red, but I'm going to go back now with the Caprice. I just wanted you to see that you can add just a little bit of color, a little bit of neutral liner to give you a pretty lip with not a lot of dark color. So that would be just a light lip color. Maybe if I'm going to a dinner, I might just do something like this. But I'm going to go back through and I'm going to apply this a little bit heavier. I just use the bullet of the lip color for a liner. And I used the neutral liner earlier just to define the area that I was going to put the lip color in. Caprice is not a real dark red. It's more of a on the pink spectrum, but I think it's really pretty. Oh, I'm so excited with this new lip gloss. We'll see how it works. We'll see how it wears, and we'll see the long-term results. We're right in the middle of the holidays, so I'm going to be using this week. I have a couple of Christmas parties. I have a couple of events, so I'm going to wear this daily and see how this works long-term as well as immediate. This was so much fun. I really like trying new things. So that was Clear by City Lips. The other shade I got is called San Diego. Clear and San Diego are two of their more popular shades, so I wanted to give them a try, and luckily they had a sale going on. Well, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a happy holiday season. Have a very Merry Christmas. Be safe in the new year, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.